We have Mick, the father of all the O'Connors. We have Donal, Aoife, Liam and Derek. They're going to play a selection of jigs for us, the Eavesdropper and Up Leitrim. But before you do, Mick, you want to make a quick dedication.
Yes, Kieran, I'd like to dedicate the selection to Roger Sherlock, a great flute player and a great friend of ours, so I hope he's keeping well.
And we all wish Roger well. Would you please welcome the O'Connor family? Mighty music from the O'Connor family. And yes, I didn't mention the bodhrán player. And he said to me, sure, I'm only the bodhrán player. He's not just that, he's a world champion, he's an All-Ireland champion, Neil Lyons. Neil, sorry about that. Great to see you in Cayley House.